So we settle into this moment, into the presence of love itself. We take note of the breath in and out. Knowing that this time and space is always and only held in the tender arms of love. So we embrace the stillness within. Within that presence we call love, we call God, we call universe. Having closed our outer eyes, we open the inner eye to the vast expanse of the universe, having its very being within us. This is the vast expanse of love. We breathe in God. We breathe out love. And in the next breath, we breathe in love. And we breathe out the expression of God. At the core of everything we are, of everything we do, this is the ever-present truth, the ever-present activity. God, love, love, God. If in this moment we meet an argument of a thought, an idea, a feeling that would present a different circumstance, we can acknowledge it, love it, release it to truth. And in the stillness, we allow more love, more God. And with the chimes, we settle into silent reflection. And so we open our hearts to gratitude for this moment, for this breath that returns us to life, to love, to God. With thanks for this holy ground on which we stand, through which we have our being. It is gratitude, gratitude, gratitude for community, for one another, and for this day. So it is. Amen.